Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can customize watermark in the Redmi Note 10 Lite. So let's start. Open the camera app. Remember to have enabled a back camera. Tap on the 3-line icon and choose the settings. Now how you can see there we have a watermark, so tap on it and you can add a timestamp, and if you want to customize the watermark, enable device watermark options. Now tap on custom, choose your text, click save, and that's it. Now if you will take a photo, your watermark should appear. How you can see, this is my watermark, and this is the watermark in the default state. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.